If you're looking for a foolproof chicken Manchurian recipe for a crowd, this one never fails. Crispy chicken, crunchy vegetables, and a delicious glossy sauce that tastes just like your favorite restaurant. अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातहू। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। So today I'm sharing my easy and delicious chicken Manchurian recipe made with 3 kilograms of boneless chicken. The chicken is perfectly crisp on the outside, juicy inside, and coated in a rich, flavorful semi-gravy sauce. This recipe is ideal for parties, family gatherings, special occasions, or whenever you're craving restaurant-style Indo-Chinese food at home. So let's get started. So first we have to marinate the chicken. So to marinate the chicken, take a large bowl and to the bowl add 3 kilograms of boneless chicken cubes, 18 tablespoons of cornflour, 12 tablespoons of maida, 6 teaspoons ginger garlic paste, 3 tablespoons soya sauce, 1 tablespoon black pepper powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, a pinch of food color, and 3 eggs, which is optional, completely optional. Add a little water gradually and mix well until every piece is coated with a thick batter. The batter should cling to the chicken and not be runny. Cover and marinate for 1 hour. Now let's fry the chicken. Heat oil in a deep kadai. Carefully drop the marinated chicken pieces into the hot oil in batches. Fry on medium heat until golden brown, crispy, and cooked through. Remove and drain on a plate. For extra restaurant-style crispiness, fry the chicken a second time for 1 to 2 minutes before serving. Now keep it aside. Let's prepare the sauce. Heat 8 tablespoons of oil in a large wok or wide pan. To this, add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic and 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger. Also add 12 slit green chillies. Saute for about a minute until fragrant. Now add 8 to 10 cubed onions and 750 grams of cubed capsicum. Stir fry on high for about 5 minutes. The vegetables should remain slightly crunchy. Now to this, let's add the sauces. 9 tablespoons of soya sauce, 6 tablespoons red chili sauce, 8 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 5 teaspoons vinegar, 2 teaspoons sugar, 4 teaspoons of black pepper powder, and salt to taste. Keep stirring as you add each ingredient. Mix everything well and cook for 2 minutes on very high flame. The sauce will become rich, glossy, and aromatic. The sauce will become rich, glossy, and aromatic. Now let's make the slurry. For the slurry in a bowl, mix 6 tablespoons of corn flour with 1 cup of water. Stir well until smooth. Pour the slurry into the sauce while stirring continuously. Cook until the sauce thickens. Add half a cup of water if needed to achieve a semi-gravy consistency. The sauce should lightly coat a spoon and not be too thick nor too watery. Now add all the fried chicken pieces to the prepared sauce. Toss on high flame for 4 to 5 minutes until every piece is beautifully coated with the glossy Manchurian sauce. Switch off the flame. Garnish with spring onion greens or chopped coriander. Serve immediately. Goes very well with veg fried rice, Szechuan fried rice, hakka noodles, garlic noodles, chapati or paratha as well. Look at the beautiful glossy coating. Crispy chicken, crunchy vegetables, and the perfect balance of sweet, spicy, and tangy flavors. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.